So now we're beginning the final phase of this project. We're going to be cleaning out all these garden beds out of their weeds and just have it looking nice and clean inside. Alright, we'll see how she looks here in a little bit. Alright, this is Green Hill. We're all finished the whole project, garden beds to the whole garden. You know, this is where we take dreams and make them into reality. As you can see, she's looking beautiful. She's looking to be planted very, very soon. And yeah, these clients should have a good summer of growing once they plant everything. And like I said, this is the final project. You can see yourself how from where we were to where we are now. So everything's, like I said, topped off with some topsoil. Garden beds here looking beautiful. And there's some of the tools of the trade again, right there. And there you go. Another successful job. Green Hill, where we take dreams and make them into reality.